Hello, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2013 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E350 4MATIC. This comes in a gray exterior with an almond and gray interior. Wood grain accents there as well. Sunroof. Blind spot assist. Mercedes-Benz E350 and 4MATIC badging. And trunk back here. Rear seats. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Memory seats, the driver seat controls here, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage is currently at 79,398, and we have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz navigation system, radio, and backup camera. Climate control. Shifter. And center console. Now, if you'd like to see any photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.